Hello, my name is Ayana. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and navigate Otter AI on the Google Chrome browser. First, go to the Google Chrome Web Store by typing in Chrome Web Store in the URL bar. And press enter. Click the first result. Click on the search bar and type in Otter AI. And press enter. The correct extension will be the first one. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. To open Otter AI, type in Otter AI and press enter. This is the main page for Otter AI. On the left, you'll find your name, the Home tab, My Conversations tab, the Shared with Me tab, and the Apps tab. Underneath, you can also have groups where other people can meet and folders to organize your recordings. It's important to note that I am using the free version of Otter AI. Because of this, I am restricted to 600 minutes of recording each month. If you'd like 6,000 minutes a month, you can upgrade your plan to Otter Pro. With Otter Pro, you'll have access to advanced exports, unlimited imports, and synced audio and video from Dropbox, as well as many other features. The most important button is the blue record button in the top right corner. Click record to transcribe anything that you need. You can click the top bar to create a new title. As you can see, it's recording everything I say. If you need to stop, you can press stop recording. Otter will process your recording and notify you when it's done. Another important feature is the import button. You can find it next to the record button. This feature allows you to import a file and have it transcribed. The My Conversation tab shows you all of the recordings that you have created. You can also start another recording on the right by clicking Start Recording. The Shared with Me tab shows you all of the recordings that have been shared with you by others. Again, you can start recording by pressing the Start Recording button on the right. In the Apps tab, you can connect apps like Zoom and Dropbox to enhance your Otter experience. You can add these apps by clicking Add on the right. If you click the Plan tab, you'll find upgrades to your subscription. Otter Business has collaborated with Zoom to enhance accessibility. The main feature of the Zoom and Otter AI collaboration is Otter Live Caption. This feature is available to those who buy Otter Business and Zoom Pro. With Otter Live Captions, you can create accurate captions in Zoom in real time to make your meeting accessible for everyone. In the Groups tab, you can create groups by clicking the plus button in the Groups drop box. Or you can click New Groups at the top of the page. Once more, you can start recording on the right. Additionally, you can create folders to organize all of your recordings by pressing the plus button on the left. You can also create a new folder by pressing New Folder on the top of the page. And again, you can start recording on the right. All Conversations will show you all of your conversations that you've created, and Trash will show you everything that you've thrown away. Thank you so much for watching.